Hi, I am Shah. Welcome to Shah TechTuber. Today we will learn about AI Microsoft Tool Copilot and try to know about the process of Copilot and Copilot settings. Copilot is a AI Microsoft tool launch in new 23H2 update, along with definitions and setting with usage details. Copilot AI Tool Update and integrated on Windows 11-23H2. Definition. Copilot in Windows is an artificial intelligence assistant that's integrated in Windows 11 to enhance productivity and creativity. You can get real answers, inspiration, and solutions for your questions, projects, and to-do list. What is Copilot? Copilot is like having a helpful assistant on your computer. You can give the Windows Copilot all the dirty work that you require to be done to complete all your tasks. It can do a bunch of clever things to make your life easier when you're using Windows 11. You can call it up by right-clicking, and it's available in places like the Edge browser and Bing search. Copilot can help you find stuff on the web, manage your work, and even help with tasks on your computer. It's like having a personal digital assistant right at your fingertips. What is Microsoft 365 Chat? Microsoft 365 Chat is part of the Microsoft 365 Copilot experience. It is a chat interface that has access to your data across your different Microsoft work applications, which enables it to answer questions and assist with tasks. What can I use Copilot in Windows? Copilot in Windows goes beyond words. You can copy, drag and drop, or upload images to chat and find more information about the images. You can also use voice input 6 or take actions such as change to dark mode, turn on do not disturb, take a screenshot, summarize this website, active tab in Microsoft Edge. The Copilot button available in the taskbar or using the Windows key plus C keyboard shortcut. Microsoft has updated some daily use apps in Windows 11-23H2 update. Learn the details of new features of daily use Microsoft software. Microsoft Paint. Windows Photos app have Copilot AI as well, including features like automatically finding the background in the photo and then letting you remove it with a single click. Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft has also improved search across your OneDrive accounts, letting you look for them based on the content of the photo or the location where it was taken. Snipping tool. Snipping tool will now help you extract specific content from an image or redact certain text if you want to protect sensitive data. You can now also capture audio to microphone support, which should make it easier to create videos based on screen recordings. Clipchamp. Clipchamp received autocompose, which will make the tool give you ideas for scene suggestions, edits, and narratives based on your footage. It'll make it easier to create videos even if you have no background in video editing. Notepad. Old Notepad received an important update that lets you close the app at any time without losing your progress. It will autosave from now on and automatically restore open tabs, as well as any unsaved content. Microsoft Outlook. A new version of Outlook for Windows that helps you coordinate your email accounts across various providers, such as Gmail, iCloud, and more, into a single app. The use of AI tools will make writing emails easier, and you'll be able to attach documents and photos directly from OneDrive. Windows Copilot feature available on Windows 11-23H2. Minimum hardware specifications required to run Windows 11-23H2. Laptop and desktop must still meet some minimum specifications, which appear to include a supported 64-bit CPU, 4 GB of memory, 64 GB of storage, UEFI secure boot, graphics requirements and TPM 1.2, to run Windows 11. How to enable Copilot in taskbar. To enable the Copilot icon in the taskbar for Windows 11, you can use the steps given below. 1. Open Settings on Windows 11. 2. Click on Personalization. 3. Click the Taskbar tab. 4. Turn on the Copilot toggle switch to add the button to the taskbar. 5. If optional, turn off the Copilot toggle switch to remove the button to the taskbar. How to change settings with Copilot. To change settings with Copilot on Windows 11, you can use the steps given below. 1. Click the Copilot button or use the Windows key plus C keyboard shortcut. 2. Compose the action in the Ask Me Anything box. For example, change to dark mode, turn on Do Not Disturb, or take a screenshot. 3. Click the Yes button to confirm the action. How to get answers with Copilot. You can use the steps given below. 1. Click the Copilot button. 2. Choose the conversation type. For instance, the default conversation style for the chatbot is balanced, which allows the chatbot to respond more neutrally, meaning it will try not to take sides on a specific topic. However, you can change the tone to creative, which will generate more playful and original responses, or precise, to generate the most accurate response with more facts. 3. Compose the question in natural language in the Ask Me Anything box. How to restart Copilot chat. If you want to reset the chat, you must refresh. To restart the Copilot on Windows 11, you can use the steps given below. 1. Click the Copilot button. 2. Click the menu, 3 dots, button on the top right corner and choose the refresh option. Once you complete the steps, the chatbot will restart. How to change Copilot settings. The Copilot also includes a settings page, but you can only customize one specific setting in this first preview. To change the Copilot settings on Windows 11, you can use the steps given below. 1. Click the Copilot button. 2. Click the menu, 3 dots, button on the top right corner and choose the settings option. 3. Turn the Let Copilot Use Content from Microsoft Edge toggle switch on or off. Learn the details of new features of Microsoft Copilot for Teams, PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. Microsoft Outlook. Copilot can help users manage their inboxes to better sort emails or find information in one of them that traditional search tools can't. Microsoft Excel. Copilot can analyze a database to look for trends or patterns that might exist which aren't immediately obvious. It can also be used to have it display the data in the easiest to understand ways. Microsoft Word. Copilot can effectively use Copilot like the best version of ChatGPT, with GPT-4. It can write content for you, edit, and proofread something you've written, make suggestions about grammar, word choice, syntax, or anything else you ask of it. If you want it to write something for you, or help you write something better, Copilot is a great assistant. Microsoft PowerPoint. Copilot can make entire presentations for you based on a simple prompt. You'll likely need to adjust, but you can feed it information that it would need for your presentation, including other presentations, leaflets, or product sheets. Microsoft Teams. Copilot can summarize entire chat threads for you so you can quickly get up to speed on what's been discussed. This can be great for onboarding new employees, catching someone up after a vacation, or making sure workers in different time zones are quickly up to speed. In live calls, Copilot can transcribe conversations, draft notes, summarize what's been said. Microsoft Teams help to create visualizations for project ideas and take details about who is present and contributed to the meeting. Thanks for watching my video. I try to make more video for you. You can also check my related video in I button. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your family and friends.